Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to link your international bank card to your WeChat Pay for easy WeChat wallet transaction. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. After you open up your WeChat app, go ahead and click on the profile icon. Go ahead and click on Pay and Services. Go ahead and click on Wallet. Go ahead and click on Bank Cards. Go ahead and click on Add a Bank Card. Then here you go. What you need to do is to simply enter the card number right here, whether Visa card or bank card. Once you enter the card number, go ahead and click on Agree and Add. And once you click on Agree and Add, the bank card is going to be added to your WeChat wallet. Then you are going to see the bank card information right here. You can see I've already linked my Visa bank card right here. And with that, I can use this bank card to shop or make a transaction in my WeChat wallet. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about WeChat wallet or WeChat Pay, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.